Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Industrial Guy. In today's video, we will discuss about PT100 sensor. So let's start. First, I will discuss the principle of operation. The principle of operation is to measure the resistance of a platinum element. The most common type PT100 has a resistance of 100 ohms at 0 degree centigrade. There are also PT1000 sensors that have a resistance of 1000 ohms at 0 degrees Celsius. So basically, the physical picture of PT100. Inside this tube, there is platinum, which is just mount this side with known as housing. Okay, this is fixed on the whatever application we are required the temperature. This the platinum value give us in ohms. We use this value for our controlling purpose and other purpose. So these are few examples. Okay, the housing is mount on the surface where we are interested, which is this is the side. Here we connect the wires. This is the third example. All do the same, but the physical representation is different. Okay, so basically the applications are sensors like diesel engines, gas generators. There are cylinder temperature, winding temperature. In textile, there are heaters. We just use it for the temperature feedback. Okay, now let's talk about the chart. This is the PT100 chart. We use this chart to troubleshoot the problem related to PT. Also the designing. You can see the first column is of temperature in degree centigrade. The second column is temperature in Fahrenheit, and third column is resistance in ohms. So I will start from 0 degree Celsius. If we are using PT100, so the chart will be 0 degree centigrade. In 0 degree centigrade, the PT should give us the value in 100 ohms. Okay, in 100 degrees centigrade, PT should give us the value of around 138.50 ohms. Same as if we are interested in degree Fahrenheit. So in 212 Fahrenheit, the resistance 138.50, etc. This is how we read the chart of PT100. Okay, 700 degree, the PT should give us the value of 345.28 ohms. If the value is plus minus 2%, no problem with the PT. Okay. It depends on the accuracy. Now let's talk about the module. Okay, basically in this we have PLC based system, so cannot directly connect the PT with PLC or with relay with anything. We need this temperature converter kind of transducer, which usually convert one electrical quantity into another electrical quantity. In today's example, the first electric is PT100, the value in ohms. You can see this are the inputs. The two wire, this is in this example we have two wire PT. So these are input of this module. You can see this is the supply of this module. The diagram is diagram. The input pin number 2 and pin number 3. You can see here the pin configuration is written on the module. So pin number 2 and pin number 3 are for PT connection, and we have this supply voltage of around 4 volt. Module requires 24 volt DC or AC. Usually we use DC power supply for this kind of modules. Okay, otherwise we have to use the transformer of 24 volt step down transformer. So the cost for the transformer is expensive, so we use 24 volt power supply, as we are using the 24 volt control in our panels. You can see this is mounted. Oh, this is mounted. This is mounted in the panel. The practical example, we have this in our panel. You can see here the sensor for PT100 sensor. The output will be 0 to 10 volt, and the power is 24 volt DC or AC. We can now we can use this for our designing perspective. Okay, we can directly operate the relay, or we can give this output to PLC, ADC. Okay, and do whatever our application is. Okay, we cannot directly use this PT. Okay, useless. For this application we use this kind of converter. Okay, that's all for today's video. If you like my video, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.